You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to Agoracom, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on Agoracom this year. Agoracom, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning. It's Wednesday, September the 17th, and you're watching Agoracom TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Agoracom TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. As always, I've got a great show lined up for this morning. I've got 3 great press releases to report on, both sides of the borders, and I also have 2 halts to report on in the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our top story, BioCureX, trades on the OTCBB under the symbol BOCX. The company is announcing that the Australian Patent Office has issued a notice of acceptance for divisional application of their original patent filing. This is the first patent awarded to BioCureX for the development of therapeutic applications of its RECAF technology. This approval from the Australian Patent Office is a milestone for the company in an important field of application. BioCureX has proprietary technology on the uses of a molecule called RECAF that is present on the surface and inside of cancer cells, though which are mostly absent from healthy cells as well as benign tumors. Cancer cells release some RECAF into the bloodstreams, and this has allowed the company to develop a blood test for cancer that detects approximately 90% of patients with malignancies at the standard specificity of 95% with 5% false positives. The presence of RECAF also on the surface of malignant cells allows for the specific targeting of cancer. A little bit about BioCureX. They're a biotechnology company that is developing products based on patented proprietary technology in the areas of cancer diagnosis, imaging, and therapy. Their technology identifies a cancer marker known as RECAF, which is found on malignant cells from a variety of cancer types, but is absent in most normal or benign cells. So it looks like a great breakthrough for BioCureX. Hopefully they can help fight in the fight with cancer. The company's last at 25 cents, their 52-week high is 88 cents, and their 52-week low is 18 cents. Moving on to Sundridge Gold Corp trades on the venture under the symbol SGC. We've got an updated independent resource estimate coming out of the company, and this is for their Emba de Haro copper, zinc, gold, volcanogenic massive sulfide, or VMS deposit located on its 100% owned Asmara project in Eritrea. Highlights from their 43-101, their copper content has increased by an estimated 35% in the primary massive sulfide zone to 990 million pounds. Their copper-rich zone is 38 million tons in the indicated resource category at an average grade of 1% copper and 1% zinc, using a cutoff grade of 0.5% copper. The zinc content has also increased by an estimated 11% in the primary massive sulfide zone to 1,900 million pounds. And gold content has increased by 20% in the primary massive sulfide zone to an estimated 485,000 ounces of gold. A little bit about Sundridge. They're a mineral exploration company focused on the acquisition, exploration, discovery, and development of precious and base metals projects. The company is last at 33 cents. 52-week high is $2.15. Their low is 27 cents. And their market cap currently stands at approximately $20 million. Moving on, we've got Pro Travel Network. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol PTDL. The company is announcing that they're entering the Australian market through a strategic acquisition. They've announced today that the company has entered into an agreement to acquire KGNS Limited, which has operated its travel business for nearly 20 years, as among the leading online travel agencies in the Melbourne area. The Australian market is a strategic in Pro Travel Network's long-term business plans, and this acquisition will help Pro Travel to expand services to customers in the Australian market. The acquisition brings incremental value to the existing shareholders of Pro Travel Network and will immediately increase their customer base. Integration of the business is expected to be completed within the next 3 months. And I've got a quote from Paul Henderson, CEO and President of Pro Travel Network, who states, "It is an exciting moment for us, and this acquisition extends our global reach to the Australian market. The Australian market is part of our strategic plans for the growth of Pro Travel Network. We have a successful track record in business, and experience from our Canadian expansion makes us confident in international markets. Not only do we believe Australia is an important part of our expansion, but it also serves as a perfect launchpad to capture the lucrative Asia-Pacific travel market in the future. This summer has been an exciting time as many of our future expansion plans have come to fruition." A little bit about Pro Travel Network. They're an emerging growth company, direct-to-consumer service business, leveraging powerful home-based business concepts with the travel industry that offers one of the most unique and comprehensive independent travel agent training packages. Company is last at 28 cents, 52-week high 72, low 20 cents, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $7.5 million. Moving on to the second segment, the halts of the morning. I've got SNS Silver Corp. Trades on the venture under the symbol SNS. They've been halted pending news. And I've got Andover Ventures. They trade on the venture under the symbol AOX. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for this morning. Thanks for joining us once again on Agoracom TV. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.